So all prepped, ready to go at Guaranteed Motors. This lovely Volvo XC90 7-seat. It's a D5 SE Lux, so it's a top spec. It's got the full soft leather option. The 7 seats just flip up in the back. Here we've got the split tailgate. A cavernous boot, absolutely massive. When you've got the 7 seats, 2 rear seats down, and you've still got nice usable space, even with the seats up. Rear tow bar fitted. All the wheels are in mint condition. Rear privacy glass. The electric seat adjustment with memory function. Auto lights. 118,488 miles on the clock, and if you know these 2.4 litre turbo diesel Volvo engines, they've got plenty of life left in there. You have a nav system. Electric folding mirrors, rear aircon and dual zone for the front, heated leather seats, and a Geartronic automatic gearbox. It's had a full service history as well, just 2 owners from new. First owner had it for 3 years, the second owner has had it ever since. And every single stamp in the book with every single receipt as well. So you can see exactly what's been done on the car throughout its entire life. And we've just fitted new cam belt to it as well. So we are the local RAC approved dealer for Bury St Edmunds. So as such, you'll get 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months complimentary breakdown cover, and an 82-point RAC approved check for which you'll get the report. And we will not sell a car that has any kind of advisory on it, so the MOT will be, and the RAC check will be completely clear. Call Guaranteed Motors today.